1963 Impala Video 86. My goodness, it's been a long time, a lot of videos, but still haven't finished this car. Hope to finish it and hope to get back on it pretty soon. But in the meantime, you know, y'all watched me build quite a few other projects that were a little bit quicker to build and things like that. And main thing is having my girls as my priority during this time. They're 18 and 20 years of age now. They're kind of getting to where they're doing their thing, and now it's time for me to get back onto these cars. I've got quite a few of them I'd like to build and sell and move on to something else, or just thin out the cars. I'm not getting any younger. But anyway, this car I hope to get real aggressive on painting it, and then getting the interior done and do a few other things to it and sell it. It's that time. It's past that time actually, but I've just been building other cars. Now of course a lot of people tell me don't paint it. It's got the perfect patina, all one color, or you know, obviously never been in a major wreck or anything. But if I don't find somebody that wants to buy it just like it is now, pretty soon I hope to get aggressive on painting this thing and take it to the next level. I'm tired of myself looking at it like this. It's been neat looking, it's really cool looking. Sometimes I look at it and I'm like, how on earth could I even think about painting it? But then again, in my first video, that was one of the things I said I was going to do, is paint it. So, you know, if somebody has to have this car just like it is, I would take $10,000 for it. I've been offered nearly that much for it. It's got a rebuilt 327 Power Glide. The numbers are matching. The front suspension's been gone through, and a lot of the metal work has been done on it. That lip around the track has been replaced. There's a lot of neat things that have been done to it. It will make a pretty good car, but I could care less whether I sell it. And if somebody doesn't buy it like that, then I don't want to hear people complaining, oh my gosh, how could you paint such a car with a cool patina? Well, I'm offering it out there, and if nobody wants it like it is, I want to take it to the next level. I've got the AC compressor and everything like that for it. Now what I'm in the middle of right now though is power brake booster. I'm pretty sure in the end I'll have to buy another one, or I may just convert it to manual brakes. Aggravating. I'm having a hard time finding a rebuilt replacement brake boost, or even a new one. I haven't found a source for one. And even just a rebuild kit. I don't understand why they don't have a rebuild kit, because that diaphragm is what went bad on this one. And they're really not that hard to redo. Through the years, I've been buying new brake boosts at swap meet, you know, cheap. If they're cheap enough, I'll just go ahead and buy it and hope that maybe the parts looks like it would work or whatever. But you know, after I get them home, I'm like, no, that doesn't look anything at all like the original one that's on this car. So now I'm down to trying to see if I can make parts out of those, or some kind of way I can modify this one right here to where it will go on this bracket that has that linkage that goes to the firewall. We'll see what happens. Like I said, if I can't make this work or buy one rebuilt, then I may just switch it over to manual brakes. These things stop pretty good with just manual brakes. Yesterday I drove the car around a bunch. I mean, it still starts up and runs and drives and shifts gears and does everything that it needs to very well, even though it's been sitting quite a while. But like I said, I'm ready to do something with this car. If somebody has to have it looking the way it is with that patina, then I'll sell it to them like that. Otherwise, if things work out in my life and I don't get too busy with other things, I hope to get this car painted and get on with making more videos of this car, and then sell it and see what's the next project. It might be the Vet, or it might be that Gold 57. I'm not really sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's good to be back.